Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tab back with another video. Today's video is a part 2 of the last video I had done. Where to start when you want to make money online or start an online business, or what program do I get, or what do I do? So before I begin the video, if you look below the video, I have a link to a free program that will teach you affiliate marketing and teach you how to be a super affiliate within 90 days. And a super affiliate is making $4,000 a month. So you can join that program below the video. I also have a link to Bluehost to get you a blog, because my first video I talk about our YouTube channel, having a blog, let that grow over time. They're a blog, it's an online asset, it's a website that can grow over time. YouTube channel, everybody's on YouTube. YouTube channel is also a asset as well. So what I would do, first off, get those two together. It was one couple things you need to realize in making money online. Okay, you need traffic. Okay, you need every store, Walmart, Target, Amazon needs traffic, and traffic is just people going online or going into the store buying things. So that's traffic. Okay, you need people going to your store. You need people looking at your affiliate links. That's how you make the money. Okay, I didn't realize this in the beginning. You need traffic. Okay, so you need traffic. That's the one thing you need. There are two types of traffic. There's free traffic and there's paid traffic. That's it. So two types: free traffic and paid traffic. So in the beginning, you're first starting out, you don't know where to go, your best bet is get some free traffic. Okay, I wouldn't buy traffic, because buying traffic, one, it costs you money, and two, you need other tools as well to make money with the paid traffic. You need an autoresponder, you need a lead page, a landing page, builder, which all those below the video as well. You want to check those out, what I use, but you need at least some tools: landing page and an email list, and you need find a platform to buy traffic from, and you need money to buy traffic. So I don't advise people buying traffic straight out the gate. I'd rather somebody starting off brand new with no experience start a blog on a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is easy to set up, it's easy to manage. Okay, so what I would do is start with the free traffic, because the free traffic takes time. Okay, so like I said in my last video, if you just write some blog posts, timestamp all those blog posts. So say you do 2 blog posts a week. Your first week, just crank out 8 blog posts. Now you're good for the whole month. And then the next week, crank out another 4 blog posts. You're good for 2 weeks. And then maybe the weekend you write 3 or 4. So every week you write 3 or 4 blog posts, but you timestamp them. Well, over time, over the next couple of weeks, you're gonna have enough blog posts to cover you for the next 2-3 months. In my case, I have enough blog posts to cover me for the next 4.5, almost 5 months of content. So the next 4 months, I don't have to touch the blog at all, just to make sure my plugins are updated. I have enough content to cover me. So with that time, I can spend time with my family. I can make more YouTube videos. I can dabble into paid traffic. That's what I would do. I could do more research on paid traffic, because my blog is still getting that content ranked. I'm getting content published on my site. So where to start? In my last video, blog and YouTube. Okay, you got that. Start writing content. And the blog, just pick a frequency you're comfortable with. I say at least twice a week. Use the WordPress app on your phone as well to do content on the go. You write content at work. In my case, on my lunch breaks, when I get to my 15-minute break or my 30-minute or hour lunch, I will sit there, put my phone out, eat my lunch, while I'm always doing a blog post. If you're working, I used to work in a warehouse as well, and knowing that sometimes you get 2 15-minute breaks and a 30-minute lunch. Well, the same rule applies. When you're on your lunch break, pull your phone out and start doing a blog post. You don't have to finish it all. You can just write 2 paragraphs, hit save draft, and then you can work on them when you get home. The good thing about the WordPress app on your phone is, if you want photos, if you want better photos, you want real life photos that you take a picture of, what you can do is take a picture of your phone, go to your WordPress app, and you can upload that photo to your WordPress blog, upload to your library. So those photos you take with your phone could be in your library, and from the library you install to your WordPress blog. So the WordPress app is a good place to blog, to upload photos. So if you have a blog about fixing cars and you want to take snapshots of something that's broken, you use your cell phone and upload it to your WordPress blog, and then you can put on your blog. So the WordPress app is saving a lot of time and effort. So again, if you get those two, if you want to do paid traffic, do paid traffic. Pick your traffic source. I use Bing Ads for my traffic source because it works for me. Pick your source, pick one source, and master that source. Don't dabble in Facebook, Bing, and Google. Pick one and stick with one, okay? Because it'll take you time to figure out. Paid traffic is a whole other beast, because I don't want to advise somebody to buy paid traffic straight up the gate, because you gotta find the right traffic, you gotta find the right landing page, you gotta have the right offer, right ad copy. All that stuff to be all online for you to make money with paid traffic. So I wouldn't do paid traffic right now. I would start off small and get your blog up to 3-4 months with timestamp content. Start another blog. My other video. Start a secondary blog. Okay, start a secondary blog with your Bluehost account. You can have multiple sites. So you pay your $12 domain name, start another blog, run it that way. Do more YouTube channels or YouTube videos. Okay, so you need traffic. Figure ways to get traffic online. That's the key. Okay, so again, you can start another YouTube channel. So maybe your first blog about fixing cars, but your other blog about fixing stuff in the house. Or you could do a whole nother channel about fixing things in the house. So that'd be 2 separate channels, but they both belong to you. That's 4 assets you have online that get traffic all day long. I believe the blog, social media is hard to build up. Social media, yeah, you can, but unless you got 1 million followers, it's hard to make money from that. Go with the basics, go with the blog, YouTube channel. There are 2 online assets that get traffic all the time. Okay, so that's part 2 of my video. I'm excited about this series, where to start with. First thing I would do with join my free affiliate bootcamp. It's free to join. It will show you how to do affiliate marketing. It will show you how to be the super affiliate in the first 90 days. Join that. Also, start your blog today. Start a blog. My Bluehost link below. Click on that, get your account, and get set up. Start blogging, okay? So it's TyForThatSking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.